On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram CSRF token missing easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is very easy. Open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. After that, open the apps manager, go to the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. After you wait, then you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Click on it, click on the data usage, make sure everything is enabled right here, and then click on force stop, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then open the Play Store or the App Store and update your Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the tutorial.